Alright, let's start the shit. What's up, everyone? Welcome back to Rex's Armory. This is episode 2. I don't know how many more episodes I'm gonna be able to make, but I'm gonna try to make as many as possible. This is definitely gonna be a short series, but I'm gonna try to make as many as possible. I am very excited to show to you my next gun in my arsenal today. But before I do that, I need to talk to you about support. And the best way to help me keep making videos is to support me is to hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Just keep the support coming in. Your comments, your likes, your subscribes mean the world to me. And if you want to help me make more content, then that's the best way to support me. Now, ladies and gentlemen, I'm gonna get right to the point and introduce to you the next rifle in my family. This is the BCM MCMR 16-inch barreled rifle. Now, you may notice this doesn't look like a BCM lower, and it's not. The upper is the BCM, but the lower is a Palmetto State Armory lower with Magpul finish. Now, I know I had to cheap out a little bit on the lower because the upper is just worth a lot. But even though this is from Palmetto State Armory, they still have a pretty reputable track record. It's just like they've gotten a little bit of mixed reviews here and there, but I still trust PSA. I love PSA. I really want to buy one of their AKs. They're American-made AKs. They don't import anything. They're made here in the U.S. So I kind of want to get one of those. Now, we're gonna start off with pistol grip. So pistol grip is Magpul. Now, I've actually grown a little bit fond of this Magpul pistol grip, and it feels pretty good in my hands. There's a little bit of stippling on the grip. If you can see it right here, a little bit of stippling on the grip so that it doesn't slip when your hands get wet. Now we're gonna move on to the stock. This is also a Magpul L stock. I really am enjoying the stock. I mean, it's a little wobbly when this little part is loose here, but clamp it down, boom, steady and secure. All right, gotta move back to my length. These are QD sling points that I put on here. You can really buy QD sling points anywhere. I bought mine on Amazon. If you want a good one, you can go to any of the other big companies to buy them. But I mean, I just buy mine off Amazon. So that's where I got those. Now the PSA lower, I've actually been able to enjoy it quite a bit. I shot this rifle for the first time just a couple days ago, and I mean, everything's been working out pretty well with the lower. Everything's been holding up. This is also a Palmetto State Armory trigger. The trigger is pretty smooth, and I'll show you a little bit. 1, 2, 3, boom. Do that again. 1, 2. Now, one thing I do have a little bit of a complaint about with the lower is the safety. Now, the safety selector switch, yeah, you get that big click when you select it on, but you don't hear another click when you select it back to safe. Maybe a little sketchy, but I mean, I've grown to like it a little bit. And yeah, I'm getting a little bit used to it. As I said just a couple days ago, I took this thing out to the range for the first time. So yeah, just starting to get used to this. Now, and I use Magpul P-Mags for this gun. I did get to use Daniel Defense mags in this gun as well. And those Daniel Defense 32-round mags, they feed very well through this. I fired a lot of rounds through this the last couple days, and I haven't had any issues at all. And that's what leads me to the bulk carrier group. Bulk carrier group is made by Bravo Company Manufacturing, so BCM. And wow, their bolts, holy crap, this thing feeds like crazy. I absolutely love this bulk carrier group. It's freaking amazing. Go to any review, find out what people say about their bulk carrier groups. You'll know that Bravo Company Manufacturing has some of the best bulk carrier groups around. Charging handle. I do have a little bit of an issue with the charging handle. Here. I mean, I had to get used to it a little bit. But, I mean, in the end, it's okay. It's better than your average mil-spec charging handle. But I think maybe sometime in the future, I'd like to upgrade to like maybe a Radiant Arms charging handle or a Geissele or something like that. Now, we're going to talk about handguard. Handguard. Whew. These handguards are built pretty well. Now, they're not as, I wouldn't say they're as sturdy as a Daniel Defense handguard, but they're still pretty damn sturdy. This is an M-LOK handguard, if you can see. And it accepts M-LOK accessories. And with the Picatinny rail up top, you can put all your Picatinny accessories up there. And then we'll go, and that leads me to the forward grip. Now this forward vertical grip, I'm able to keep on here because this gun is legally considered a rifle, right? The barrel is 16 inches long, and I do have a traditional stock on here. Not a pistol brace like my Mark 18, but a traditional stock. And because of that, I'm able to put a vertical grip on here, and this vertical grip helps me steady my rifle while I'm aiming, and it really, really helps. I'm really liking this BCM M-LOK angle or vertical foregrip. Now it does have a little bit of an angle in there. I've seen some people. I've also seen some people like twist it the other way around. But I mean, I still like it when I hold it like this. It feels comfortable in my hands, and at the end of the day, what really matters is that you feel comfortable holding the rifle and you're hitting accurate shots and being consistent with your rifle. And with this barrel, with this 16-inch barrel, I was hitting really, really close groupings on my shots. I was doing everything really quickly, very accurately, and I do like it. One complaint I do have about this barrel though, it heats up pretty quickly. Yeah, after a while the handguard was heating up and hands are starting to get a little bit hot. It may also have been because like it was a hot day. It was like 97 degrees out on the range yesterday, but it did heat up a little bit quickly, and I think that also has to do with the fact that all these this M-LOK rail has a lot of porting in it with all like the M-LOK slots in there, but still. Great handguard, great barrel. Everything fed through very well. The muzzle device. Now this is a Bravo Company. This is a BCM birdcage flash hider. One complaint I do have about their flash hider is that it does throw up a lot of muzzle flash. I mean, I don't really have a problem with it. I don't really have too big of a problem with it, I would say. But if you want to conceal your muzzle flash a little bit better, they do a lot. It is very easy to remove this muzzle device, and you can install like maybe a Surefire 3-prong or a Surefire 4-prong. I would go with the 3-prong. And yeah, that's the only complaint I really have about this muzzle device. Now the optic I have on this is a Vortex Crossfire red dot. Now this red dot is very accurate. I was able to sight it in pretty quickly, and it's held up very, very well. When it comes to this build, I say build, but I know you people in the AR community, you're gonna crucify me saying it's not a build. You just slapped a complete lower to a complete upper, blah 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 blah. Whatever. I'm just calling it what it is. A build. But when it comes to this build, I really like it. I really like it. However, with like with my complaints about the flash hider, with the charging handle, those are really my two big complaints about this gun. I do kind of wish. Well, I mean, I do have the 16-inch barreled gun because I wanted the 16-inch barreled gun to be able to shoot really far, to shoot accurately to 500 yards and whatever. Because with the 16-inch barrel, you'll be able to hit shots at 500 yards, and then you'll start to see some drop. And I feel like this build overall has been really accurate. I am going to be adding on to this build in the future. Since I literally just bought this, I literally just put this together. I need to get some money back in the bank first. I'm gonna add some iron sights on here. I'm definitely gonna add a 3x magnifier on here for the red dot, so I can actually see further when I'm shooting further. And I am going to add a white light right here. But overall, this gun, really enjoying it so far, and I can't wait to use it even more in the future. I'm definitely going to be training a lot more with this rifle, as well as my Mark 18. So that is it when it comes to the Bravo Company manufacturing MZMR 16-inch barrel upper. So yeah, this rifle is amazing. I really love it. Now, this is going to be my last video for about two and a half weeks. I'm going on my assignment tomorrow. I'm extremely excited to go on my military assignment. And I will be doing a bunch of training and stuff like that. So when I get back, I will be able to continue my videos and spread all this information out for you. So thank you all very much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and hey, watch out for those wrist rockets.